We use the blue nets to gently guide the salmon against the current, minimizing stress on the fish.
Each animal receives a full health inspection.
The extreme macro lens reveals the intricate geometry of the trout's scales, each one coated in a protective, iridescent sheen.
Precise conditions are maintained for welfare and quality.
The transition from animal to raw material begins.
Hides are sorted and tracked for the journey ahead.
The powerful flow of water and eco-friendly solution prepares the delicate skins for their transformation.
A thorough wash removes all impurities. Cleaned and prepared, the hides enter the transformation line.
The skins now enter the first conditioning chamber, a cool, misty environment designed to prepare the collagen for the initial chemical bath.
The first bath begins the softening and preservation process.
Emerging from the amber bath, the transformation is complete. The hides now possess a rich, deep brown. control drying and rehydration, ensure perfect workability.
Immense pressure, combined with the searing heat from the heating elements, transforms the raw hide into high-quality salmon leather.
Heat and pressure set the structure permanently.
Inside the tunnel, the clamps slowly stretch the leather, tensioning the material uniformly until it is perfectly taut.
Every parameter is checked for consistency and strength.
The dye beads on the surface before being drawn into the texture, enhancing the mosaic pattern and creating a deep metallic finish.
Precision dyeing enhances the natural scale pattern.
After hours in the drum, the leather emerges supple and soft. It is then tested by hand to ensure perfect pliability.
A protective seal enhances durability and luster. The system achieves perfect synchronization, guided by the precision laser alignment.
Backlit inspection ensures flawless material integrity.
The robotic gripper precisely lifts the cut components, demonstrating the efficiency of the automated assembly line.
Assembly is a blend of robotic precision and skilled hands.
This leather is much easier to work with.
I agree. The texture is very consistent.
Each piece passes a final, hands-on inspection.
Packaged and palletized, the finished goods are ready.
The final product, where nature's design meets precision engineering.
All right, bring that pallet all the way to the back. Keep those rows tight.
The journey from mountain facility to the world begins. From raw nature, a new kind of luxury is forged.